We're gonna start with the tiller. We're gonna go ahead and once you take all the pieces out of your car, grab your tiller, go ahead and adjust your tiller so it stays in the upright position. Grab the back of this chassis right here. There are going to be two hooks right here. These two hooks are going to go align with the bar right here. Simply line the hooks up with the bar. And it just drops in. Perfect. Once it's dropped in, it's locked into place. Go ahead and grab your battery. Throw the battery on. Grab your seat. And the seat is going to have a little, it's going to go ahead and have a little knob right here. Go ahead and line this up with the hole. And it simply drops in. Go ahead and put your basket back on. Remember there's a pin right here, so go ahead and pull back on this pin. Now that is on. Once you're done putting it together, go ahead and take it out of neutral, put it into drive, turn the key on, and you're good to go.